Safety, performance.
Do you like the car?
I hope you like what you see.
I really am a big believer in manufacturing, and I like it personally. I think it's sometimes people think of it as kind of you're just making copies, and but actually there's an enormous amount of innovation and engineering that goes into making a large quantity of something perfectly every time, and having that close interaction of engineering and production, I think, is also extremely important, because we want to really stay at the forefront of innovation as far as electric vehicles are concerned, and continue to serve as a catalyst for the transition to a sustainable energy future. And we're going to raise the curtain on the sign.
Well, welcome. As you can see, the Model S can easily handle 7 people plus baggage. Oh, hey. Hey, Ben, you've been working late? Or must have been there all night. I knew that was going to happen, actually. So as it turns out, the Model S can actually handle 8 people plus luggage. With the Model X, we wanted to create something, we really wanted to create a door that was better than any other door. This is something that's very important for, something like a minivan. You have that sliding door. Well, how do you create something that's better than a sliding door? We went through many iterations. This was not an easy thing to figure out. And the thing that makes this unique is it's a split gull. It's like a gull wing, but it's a split gull wing. So we call it the Falcon wing. And that's really important. Because with the split gull wing, with the second hinge, we're able to make it such that the door opens out very, very slightly. And it being so tall, you can do things like stand up inside the car. You can step directly into the third row. So, a little unwieldy. So, ordinarily I'd move the seat, but I don't want to wait for that. So, the thing about this is that normally if you have an SUV and you have a child seat in the second row, it's extremely difficult to use the third row. It's almost impossible. So with the Model X, you can actually do that. With the Model X, we've got a third row seat plus tons of space for baggage. All right, so what do you think? You like the car? Been good? This is kind of crazy, but I just learned, just told that the total number of orders for the Model 3 in the past 24 hours has now passed 115,000. All right, welcome to the Tesla semi-truck event. I hope you like what you see.
started Tesla with a sports car, Tesla Roadster. So that baby got us going. It was the foundation of the whole company. It was the Tesla Roadster. People have asked us for a long time, when are you going to make a new Roadster? We are making it now. Yeah! They're bringing out the Model Y.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil.
Nail it.
Sure?
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Should we try the beer?
Sorry?
Okay.
It didn't go through. So that's a plus side.
Let's try the
Right?
beer.
Try that one, really? Okay. Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right. Not bad. Room for improvement.